Good day guys, so we're back in action. When you guys are playing and when you guys are winning, I get so inspired because that's what I want. So these are the books that are coming. You guys, this one, and then this one. This one is UK Fortnite Betway and UK Fortnite. It's 50% discount since it's Black Friday. And then this one is the first one, the Lotto Edge. Then it is a revised one with the 749. Then this one is the Lotto Analyst and the Coach Puma. We did a collaboration on this one, and this one is the 551. So perfect. Let's go and see what we did on UK Fortnite lunchtime. So on lunch we managed to get a 2 numbers plus bonus, which I did, and I told you guys the banker is 40. There's no cheating. I used these numbers. Remember, you guys, you were there. If you can consult the previous video, you're gonna see it was 42 plus 43 plus formula 55. Then we got 140, and I said this is the banker, which is 40. It came straight there. The 10 came on the bonus, then the 14 came there. So this was a 2 numbers plus bonus. If you played with 1 rand, it's a 5,000 something. If you played with 5 rand, it's over 24k. Which can cover you. You're going to welcome December in a nice way, though. But this is what it is, as you guys saw. Okay, cool. Now, besides wasting time, I'm gonna show you how to get the bonus ball and how to get the what the bankers, because the 87 strategy, this other 55 strategy. Now I'm going to introduce the bonus strategy. But guys, come and get these books. I'm telling you, I wrote a lot of strategies that I'm like prepared for December, I know. Okay, so let's go. You see how this bonus ball came about? 10. So when you want to create a bonus ball, you have to go to the previous bonus, which was 20, and then you go to the family of 20. You say 10, 20, 30, 40. You add up everything, it's gonna give you 100. It gives you 100, which was 10 bonus. It came there. So as for tea time, what we're going to do, we're going to, let me see, because it still tells me that the bonus is 10 for tea again. So the bonus for tea time can be around 10. Let me just say it should be 10 or 1. I don't know, 10 or 1, or they will decide to put the bonuses 10, 20, 30, 40. I don't know. These guys, they repeat bonuses, because now when I use the previous no, 10 has already dropped, so we're going to use 46. We're going to say previous bonus was 46, so we go to the family of 6 plus 16 plus 26 plus 36 plus 46. How much is that? Let's go and check, because I haven't done that calculation yet. So let's go to the calculator and check what you're going to get from there. Actually, if you add up all these numbers, you're gonna get a 130, which means the bonus ball is supposed to be 30 or 13 or 31, but this one should be the banker. I think 13 or 31 should be the banker or the bonus inside, but I'm just saying, just be careful. The bonus ball can be around 13, 31 or 30. Okay, so let's go and do this one. We're going to add these 2 numbers to get the banker. 30 plus 40 plus 55, we get 125. So 125, it means we get the biggest number, so our banker for tea is 25. So remember guys, 25 is the banker for tea time. It can drop on Betway, it can drop on UK. I just want to make sure that I tell you exactly how it should be. And then the 28 as well can be the bonus, so you can say 25, 28, 25, 7. Because 25 is the 25 is a banker, or is the bonus. So it's either going to say 25, 27 bonus, 25, 28 bonus, or you play this other number, 25, 28 bonus 7. You understand? It's a 2 number plus bonus, because this one, if you hit it, then we are done. So, but you must play it on UK and Betway. These numbers are not so much, it's just few numbers of which each and everyone can at least afford to play. Even with 10 rand, guys, just that voucher for 10 rand, you can keep it and play tea time. You can get something tomorrow morning. At least you've got money for transport for work, because even if you win 500 rand, it's something else. You can go to work with that money. You can buy something in the house. There's a lot that we need as people, so as we live, then it makes sense. Okay, and then now we're going to do the 87 strategy. So remember, we're no longer using this bonus, we're going to use the one from T. So you're going to say 10 plus 46 times 87. Let's go to the calculator and check, because I haven't done that. Oh, it gave me a 4. It gave me a 412, 4012, which is telling me that 4 or 40 is going to repeat. 4 or 40 is going to repeat. And then if you check that, there's a 21 or 12. So which means I don't know if it's 12 or 21, or one of these numbers is going to repeat, or 42 or 21. Around that figure there, because 20 is dropped, 10 is dropped, 4 is dropped. So I don't know what these guys are planning about us, but the banker is 25. I'm so happy, guys, if we're getting something. Banker is 25, so 28 is the bonus ball. Then you can always say 28, 25 bonus, then you say 25, then you say 26 again, or 29, 25, 24. So remember, if you can't pair, use the Dremel. If you use the Dremel, then it's an advantage, because you will always have to be paired your numbers easily. So guys, go to the first comment now and go and request for your book. You know me, I'm an understanding person. You come with, even, because you know when I say 50% discount, it means it's half. You see, it's the time and it's month end, because this one is Black Friday. I don't know, it will last until the next Friday, but so play, win, get the book, or those who can afford it. It's all about trying to get the knowledge. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. I hope you guys boom.